Assalamu alaikum friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question, fill the boxes. So here we have 4 boxes and we have to find the values of these 4 boxes. So to solve this question, we will suppose that this box is named A, B, C and D. So we will name them A, B, C and D. Now if you can see that here we have 4 equations which are this one and this one. So we will write here first equation, which is AB is equal to 51 and BD is equal to 99 and A plus C is equal to 23 and C minus D is equal to 18. Now we can find these unknown variables by using elimination method or substitution method. From these two equations we can eliminate this variable, which is C, by subtracting these two equations. So we will name them equation 1 and equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. So it will become A plus C is equal to 23 and C minus D is equal to 18. Now we'll change the sign of lower equation. So positive will change into negative. From here, positive C and negative C will be cancelled out and we have remaining A plus D is equal to 5. Now from these two equations we can find the values of A and B in terms of B. So if we divide both sides by B, so it will become A is equal to 51 divided by B, and from here if we divide both sides by B, so it will become D is equal to 99 divided by B. Now here we have the values of A and D in terms of B. So we will substitute this A and D in this equation. We will name it equation number 3. So A is equal to 51 divided by B plus D is equal to 99 divided by B, which is equal to 5. Now here we have only one variable, which is B, so we can find the value of B easily. So by multiplying whole equation with B, by multiplying above equation with B, so it will become B multiplied by 51 divided by B plus B multiplied by 99 divided by B, and it is equal to 5 multiplied by B. So B and B will be cancelled out and we have remaining 51 plus 99, which is equal to 5B. Now 51 plus 99 is equal to 150, which is equal to 5B. Now we will divide both sides by 5 to find the value of B. So 5 and 5 will be cancelled out, and 5 1 times 5, 5 3 times 15 and 5 0 times 0. So from here B is equal to 30. So B will become 30. Now we will find the values of A, C and D. As we know that A is equal to 51 divided by B. So it will become A is equal to 51 divided by B is 30 now. So 51 divided by 30. So the value of A will become 1.7. So here A is 1.7. Similarly, we will find the value of D because we have already the value of B. So we will substitute here the value of B and get the value of D. So D is equal to 99 divided by B. So it will become 99 and the value of B is 30. So 3 times 9, 3 times 9 and 3 times 30. So from here D is equal to 3.3. So D will become 3.3. Now we have only one variable we have to find, which is C. So if we see our equation number 2, which is C minus D is equal to 18. So we know the value of D, which is 3.3. So it will become C minus 3.3, which is equal to 18. Now we will add both sides by 3.3. So it will become C minus 3.3 plus 3.3. And it is equal to 18 plus 3.3. So negative 3.3 and positive 3.3 will be cancelled out. So from here C is equal to 18 plus 3.3 will become 21.3. So C is 21.3. Now you can see that 30 multiplied by 1.7 will become 51. If we check here, 30 multiplied by 1.7. 70 times 0, 73 times 21. 10 times 0, 13 times 3. Now we will add 0, 1 and 5. So we will place decimal before one value. So 51.0 is same as 51. Similarly, 30 multiplied by 3.3 is 99. And A plus C, it's mean 1.7 plus 21.3 is equal to 23. And 21.3 minus 3.3 is 18. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.